All right. So, good evening, good morning, everyone. Today, I will talk about resources. This is one of the um, topic of our CEO, Mr. Lim Boon Hong. Um, last like 2 years ago, and he has these three topics in three regions. Okay, so the three why. Okay, your resources, your abilities, and your skills. So when he came to Philippines, his topic was your resources. That is actually my favorite topic. Okay, so according to our CEO, okay, our resources, we have a lot of resources. Okay, of course, number one is money because we need that in our business. And then the good thing with Reway is our payout, our income is in daily bonus and in Singapore dollar. It means if you are a member now, you are already a member, and then you have a member also who encoded today. Okay, 1:30 Philippine time, Singapore time, you got your RW or bonuses. Okay. Now, um, according to our CEO, okay, here in Riway, you can fight. Today, you need money, okay? Then you don't need to borrow because if you fight today, it means you are going to look for your prospects. You're going to talk to your people, to your friends or neighbors, okay, in your contact list, with your family, like that, and you convince them that you convince them to join. Then tomorrow you have income. So what to do now? Okay, what are the things that you need? Okay, in order for you to achieve these things. So of course, the first thing is to learn the basic. In Reway International, we have this called the opportunity product presentation because our the company, okay, our only one health product is Pure Cheer Placenta. Reway International is based in Singapore, but our product is manufactured in New Zealand. Our only health product is now in seventh edition Pure Cheer. That is a capsulized live stem cell. So we have a separate presentation for that. Now, when we say basic skills, because this is actually the bridge or the tool that we make to attract people, okay, to convince them and to let them know what is the company. First thing, of course, is to learn the basic, which we call this the opportunity product presentation. Everyone who wanted to go to the next level in Reway International must learn these basic skills, which is the opportunity product presentation or the OPP. So if you plan, okay, to have a career in Reway, okay, next thing that you can do is to learn the product presentation. So since guys, you are from different parts of the world, okay, and in your country we don't have the office yet. All you have to do is to watch the videos in YouTube. In our YouTube channel, there are a lot of product presentation from 6th edition up to the 7th edition by different people, different leaders. I have my product presentation, full presentation. We also have that have product testimonies. Okay, the presentation of Doc Vesnam, the presentation of Doc Ann, the presentation of other leaders, and even my member from India. Okay, she has this product presentation there. Now, we also need to do this because in order for us to earn, okay, but mostly for those people we talk to, they thought that that we are selling them the product. But actually, we are just sharing to them the awareness of this product that right now in the market, there is this capsulized live stem cells. So our product is not a simple food supplement or vitamins, and we call that Pure Cheer. Now, um, in Railway International right now, we are since it is based in Asia, okay, we have already 13, okay, or rather 12. We are already in 12 countries, more or less 60 branches in different parts of the world, okay? So, of course, for us to develop a market, okay, we need the resources. The number one resources that we need is, of course, money, finances, because in the businesses, okay, any business, especially in Reway, we need money as a capital. Any business that we are going to set up, we need capital. So it is not true that in Reway you don't need capital. When you go to attend the presentation in the office, you go for a meeting to attend the event, you need money. Okay, if you have no money, you cannot go there. Okay, that's very important. Now, also, okay, since our company is international, okay, we are also encouraged to develop a market in different countries. So, especially as Filipinos, we speak English and we can easily, and here we have a lot of training. So, we are actually blessed that we have office here in the Philippines. We have 6 offices in the Philippines. So, skills is very important. Money is also very important if we want to start the market, especially if we plan to expand internationally. So, for a few times, okay, our CEO mentioned that we must have the ability, okay, we must have the basic skills. So whether you are new in Reway, whether you had been in Reway for some time, okay, refresh. We need to learn, we need to unlearn, okay, to relearn. Okay. So adequate knowledge is very important so that we can answer and explain professionally or with confidence about our product and how we do business. So take note, guys, that in Reway, we cannot discuss only one thing. Maybe it depends to the prospect that we talk to. If we think this person needs only about the product initially, then we can discuss to them about the products, only the things that she needed to know. We don't need to discuss all the product presentation when you are talking to a patient, he cannot absorb everything. So just discuss the benefits and how can he or she can benefit from the product. So we are encouraged to learn a lot of things because because we are presenting the company. So when we face with the client, okay, we must do this confidently, with confidence in a professional image because we are representing Reway International. Okay. Now, also, that is in our NDO, if you can remember the contact list, we have there the contact list because even the CEO 2 years ago in this training, he said that you must talk to this person in person to your prospect, not remote or online. So that's why we have contact list, right? So we cannot say that, yeah, social media also works, okay? Social media also works for some, also for me. But of course, it is not that high chance that we can. Yeah, we can save. Right now, we are doing Zoom. Okay, my Zoom subscription is also an investment. Okay, I'm paying almost 1,006 pesos every single month for this. It depends to the conversion of the dollar, and that is one investment. So that is why it's very important. We can invest with our laptop, we can invest with our projector, okay, with our gadget, because we are representing this company. But initially, if you don't have that much yet to buy these things, you can our OPP is also available in paper form in the office. Now, when we say resources, okay, Reway International Pampers, its leaders, okay, its distributors, its leaders, the company gives us up to 70% commission or bonuses in Reway. So what company, okay, you can work with, you can do business with, that they can give you as much as this bonuses or commission in daily payout. It means that now, okay, you are already a member. Now you are not yet a member, but you decided to become a member today, and together today also with your friends, join you and also register as a member or purchase the product in Riway. Singapore time, Philippine time, 1:30 in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, you got your product. So with that money, we need to know also how to manage it. Okay, so invest to yourself. How can you do that? Attend all the trainings, attend all the events, especially international events that you are qualified. Like this coming January, okay, we will be attending the 70th anniversary of the company. That is open for all. Guests are invited. Our prospects are welcome. But of course, there are like thousands, 20,000 of people all over the world from different countries will come, and there are thousands of star leaders all over the world, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, team elites, supremes like that. So the company set standard. Okay, if you activate your account, then you have a designated seat. If you didn't activate your account, it means you didn't hit the rank within the 3 months, the certain ranks that they require for that 3 months, then you cannot sit in that designated seat. So this designated table, so you can join all the guests and the other star leaders like that. So you see, that is the company. Of course, we are expecting that the company also can have changes anytime. Some people would complain why Riway now is like this and like that. So of course, Riway just responds to the situations, okay? And there are some changes also for the benefit of the company and for the benefit of the leaders. That's good thing with the Riway, because the company does not leave the leaders. Okay, so this is it. You see, if I have money, I can meet them in a nice place. Okay, in Riway, we are giving up to 70%. Our 10% is much, much higher. The amount of our one set therapy is 170,000 or 3,000 euros, but the 10% of that is much higher. Okay, in pesos, if one development bonus, or let's say one referral bonus, you get like 13,000 pesos. That's like $200 or euros. Now in the Philippines, let me talk in pesos. If you got 13,000 pesos, okay, you can, the CEO mentioned in one of his LTS in Bangkok, 50% you save for your business, 30% for your family, that is non-negotiable, and 20% for yourself. Okay, 50% for your business. How are you going to spend your business? You have the small events, you have the events, you can hire vans, you can hire buses, and then bring these people to the office, bring these people to the event. You can spend money for your air ticket, for your accommodation to attend international events. That is for your business, because every time you attend the events, okay, you and your team and your group, you grow higher, you grow bigger, you expand your business, you grow your team or your group. Now, if you have enough money, you are earning so much in Riway, then you can set in a very good restaurant, okay, in your town, in your city, okay, you can host big events, and this thing, people will, we can impress people, especially our guests. So you can even meet, okay, your people, your prospects or your team, okay, in a very nice hotel, if you are earning well in Riway, if you are earning so much. Coffee shop, okay, is not that really impressive for them, okay, and but if you have money, you can also meet your clients in a 5-star hotel. If you will be meeting your client in a 5-star hotel, that is actually 50% already. You convince them at least 50. Because example, you invited, okay, because you are not yet earning well, so you meet them in a coffee shop, you meet 5 friends. Of course, how can you set this meeting? Of course, this is from your income in Reway. So it means that you're doing like full time, all your money. Because when I started in Reway, all of my income, I really put it into business. I use my money to host the events. I started in a coffee shop, but our CEO said coffee shop is not really impressive. Okay, but if you are going to meet your client in a five-star hotel, especially your old friends, okay, your friends before, your friends for a few years, okay, your sisters, your cousins, your neighbors, your colleagues, they will be really impressed because knowing you before and now you are going to meet them in a five-star hotel. But how much more if you can afford to invite them, okay, by plane. Okay, so when our CEO said by plane, it means that you can give them, okay, you can invite them to, let's say, gala dinner in Singapore. Imagine we will be flying to Singapore just for a gala dinner of a successful and big and a billionaire company. And then, so congratulations to those who can attend. So if you have money, you can meet them in a five-star hotel. If you have more money, you can take them by plane. So you can pay their ticket, you can pay their hotel. You see, in the Philippines, I know a lot of business owners. They own restaurants, they own good businesses, but only very few of them, okay, can send off their people, their staff to an international events. But here in Riway, you are Diamond 1 star, you are Diamond 2 stars, 3 stars, 3 stars, even higher than that. I mean, as low as Diamond 1 star, 2 star, and 3 stars, they can afford, okay, to invite their prospect to fly international ticket, plane ticket, and hotel. So this is how Reway teach us, okay, to be generous and to expand our business internationally. Now, our CEO, speaking of the Plano, I remembered that vividly. He was only like 44-year-old. His gift to himself and of course to the whole Reway is a plane. So our CEO has a private plane that can fit 10 to 11 people, and it has two pilots and stewardess, of course. So just last month, November, okay, he traveled in 12 countries. Okay, he traveled in 12 countries to have a meeting. One of that, of course, is in the Philippines. It's because he has this private plane. So aren't you proud of that? That we belong to this company. Our CEO is this one. And last time I remember, he also the top leaders in different countries, in several countries. Okay, after the meeting, he dropped them with the general manager to their countries, to Vietnam, to Philippines, of course, our top leaders, Team Supreme Pegasus 7, Faith, with our general manager, James Chong, and also to Taiwan, the top one of Taiwan and the top one of Japan. So it's like going from one country to another country to deliver, okay, to drop the top leader with their country, with the country manager, because they have their own private plane. So um the experience, okay, they actually share their own experience flying with the boss, okay, in his private plane, how it looks like. Actually, you can watch some of the videos in YouTube. So for him, he said that it took him some time. He really think it over how, if he is going to spend the money, okay, huge amount of money for this plane, and this plane is not only for himself, this plane is for the top leaders. Same also with the yacht that we have, the Pegasus, the yacht that we have. It is open for all of the Pegasuses. So this is our company. This is our company. This is our CEO. How he pampers his leaders. Okay, his leaders, the top leaders, that is already a privilege for them. So he said that before buying something, Okay, like buying the yacht, buying the plane, he think it over. How can the team, how can the top leaders benefit from this, and the reasons why he is buying such thing. So he always says that although we are earning much in Reway, but we need also to learn how to manage our finances, how to use our finances to go to the next level or to expand our business. He mentioned that repairs the house before it rains, because um this training has been already in 2 years. This training was already 2 years ago. But even before that, he also mentioned in some of his trainings that we need to learn how to manage our money. So we need to know how to spend our money. Like if emergency comes up and you need huge amount of money, you only watch your loved ones die, live like that, because um some of his trainings he mentioned that some people, okay, earn 100,000 right now, 50,000, 200,000, and then suddenly what? Okay, they did not even they did not even attend the seminars, even the regular events in the office. You cannot see them. They cannot even hire a van or car to bring people to the office. Then what happened to their money? It will lose, and then they stop. And then later on, they ask for something. They ask pure cheer. The family needs pure cheer, and they have no pure cheer. They will ask everyone in the team to give them pure cheer, which is not a good, image. So if you have money, you can buy a lot of pure cheer for your whole family, for the protection of your whole family, for the health of your family. Because it is so sad that we don't have money, and then our family member will get sick, and then we will simply watch them leave because we cannot do anything, we don't have resources. Then later you will regret, and then you say, oh, you will regret, you lost your loved one, and then that's the time you will realize that it was wrong. Right in front of me is Reway International. The opportunity is right here. What have I done for the past 1 week? What have I done for the past 1 month? What have I done for the past 1 year? Why up to now I am not earning in Railway? Why up to now I cannot fly with them? Why up to now I cannot attend international event? Okay, something that we need to realize. But okay, for some people, it is already too late. They lost their loved ones, like that. So, you see, so come to think that you only live once, one life, and you must live a wonderful life. These words from our CEO, he said that we only have one life and we have to live a wonderful life. Now that we are in Riway, it's just all in front of us. All we have to do is to start. So it is how we use our money. Every RW, every dollar that we earn must spend with a purpose. So why am I spending 8,000 pesos, or let's say $180 every month for the gas, for the petrol of my car? What's the purpose of that? Why I am allotted a certain amount of money every week to go to attend to the events, or to move around, to go with the clients, to the prospects of my members. It's because I have a purpose. So every RW, every dollar that we earn, we see to it that it will expand. Okay, that is from our CEO. If you just watch his training now, this must be a habit. It means there is already a self-control. So also he mentioned that teach him how to fish. Okay. Don't give a fish. If today, okay, that is why in Riwaya with the previous BD, when I asked them what to do like this, they will return the question. It means that you have to think, you are in that situation. You have to think what are you going to do to solve the solution, to solve the problem. What is the solution to solve the problem? They will not give you idea, you do this like that. So you have to say, they give you ideas like that, and then you decide what to do. So don't simply give money. Okay. Don't, he said, don't simply give money. Okay, you rather spend it to yourself. Why? If we simply give money to others, oh, okay, this is your money, like that, you can do this, you cannot, you start, which is for us in Riway, for us leaders in Riway, we cannot avoid this. All of us already, many of us in Riway International, we have this big heart. Okay, soft heart that we see these people drowning. He has no money, she has no money to attend the event and to hire a van. We are always there. We are always there to save them. Well, okay, until okay, she can stand on her own. Now, but still, okay, I hope, because he also mentioned here, the more money you have, the easier the road. Agree with me, because if you have money, you have income, enough income in Riway, you can easily decide, okay, this Friday I will meet my friend in a coffee shop, I will meet my friend in a very good hotel in town. Because you have money, it's so easy for you to decide. But if you have no money, you cannot do anything. You cannot decide whether we are going to invite these people, you're going to meet this person. You cannot do anything. Okay? So when you join Riway, you started to learn the basic. So you join the Riway now, you started to learn the basic, because everything started from the basic. Because is if up to now we cannot even do the full presentation, we cannot host the small events, the big events, how can we expand? How can we grow? The more, I'm telling you, every event that I have, especially big event in a nice hotel, there is always a good result. A good result. Example of this is in our favorite place, in my favorite place in Tagaytay. Tagaytay in the Philippines is tourist spot, second to the coldest place, you know. During summer, people come here like that. So we are close to this place, and that is my favorite place. So there is also a good hotel, four-star hotel in this town, in this city. So since I started, okay, to have events in here, every event that I have, it creates result. There are a lot of members. There are people who attended, became a member, decided to become a member, decided to purchase one set therapy, decided to become a leader, and now there are some of them, they are traveling. They have rank already in Riway. So it means my investment, the money I spend, especially the first event that I have there, that is really unforgettable. I set a target 70 people. I paid for 70 people for that hotel. Okay, 66 people arrived. And there are few sets encoded on the spot, and that event created star leaders. That is why up to today, okay, we continue to grow. It means my investment for that day, okay, that like 6 digit, more than $2,000, more than $2,000, or close to $4,000 I spend, plus the products that cost like $10,000. And now it continues to earn. Up to today, it continues to earn. So it means here in Riway, if you are spending money to the right people, you can find the right people, surely it will come back to you. It will grow 10 times, tenfold, or infinite. Okay, as long as they stay in Riway, as long as they grow and expand their team, you continue to earn from them. Singapore dollar. Okay. So that is why you can always hear that, always learn the basic. Don't stop learning, because the more you learn, the faster you can earn. So then you when the faster you can earn, because our CEO, he mentioned that target, okay, set a goal that now, okay, you are in Riway. First thing is for you to have a car. If you don't have a car, if you heard here in the Philippines, Filipinos who are attending the events in the office regularly, you can hear them. They started from nothing, but now they have one or more cars, brand new, bought in from the income in Riway. He said that it is good if you can, okay, buy, earn, save money so that you can buy your first car from your Riway earning. Your first car. Your first car must be a business car. Like my car, it is, although it's a small car, but it is a seven-seater. Okay, then I use that, okay, to for my guests. Okay, invites leaders to go to the office. So it means my car is money earner, money earner. And then I also use that, of course, to go to my clients, to my prospects, like that. So it is a business car. And then, especially if you are in, you just started from, simple, low like that, and then some of your friends will take notice. After 1 year, you are now driving a brand new car. Okay, a brand new car, and then with your coat and tie like that, with your coat, and then, um, you know, another is the CEO also teach us that you are also going to choose, okay, what car you're going to drive. Okay, you can start from simple car, and then later next level, and then to up to the next level from good, better, and best. Okay, people who people surrounding you, people who cannot afford the car will get envy of you, will admire you. I remember because in the I reviewed the training of our CEO. It's only 3 hours, but during the actual training, it is like 5 hours or more. So there are some things, some videos that was not, it was cut like that. So I remembered clearly what he said. He said that let them get envy of you, that they will be inspired and they will get curious to ask you, what are you doing? Why in just 12 months, in just 1 year, you can travel? You can attend the international events of these people wearing black. Why you have now a brand new car? What are you doing? So first is to save money for your car, and it must be a business car. Okay. So he said also that use a little amount of money to achieve same goal. Example, okay. Because this year I also plan to have here in the Philippines, okay, we have this what we call McDonald's. McDonald's, the food chain, Jollibee, KFC, Burger King, like that. So I plan to have these regular events, okay, in McDonald's from another town to another town, or within the area, within the town, there are a lot of McDonald's, but it can cater different people living in a community or subdivision. So if I can spend like 5,000 pesos or $100 for a certain event that I can invite 30 people for $1,000 investment. Then for 4 weeks, I'm sure with the 120 people, there might be 16 people who can join me. Okay, so how is it possible? How is it possible? I can go to this community to community. I can talk, or subdivision. I can talk to only one or two persons who can invite people. This opportunity is for everyone. We can invite everyone because we don't know who they know. Maybe this neighbor is that we invited, she is a retired, but we don't know, maybe she wanted the product, she wanted the opportunity, she wanted to earn in Reway. Then she can find ways. Okay, and maybe the other invite is a simple housemaker, housewife, but she wanted also to earn money because she has parents to take care in their old age. Then she can find ways. Okay, she can find ways to be part of Reway, to become a member of Reway, and to purchase the product. Okay, so let's offer the opportunity for everyone. Then I spend 1,000, I've spent $100, okay, for a certain event, and I invited um 30 people. For 4 weeks, I spent $4,000. And then for 4 weeks, I invited 100 to 120 people. And I'm sure maybe if not within the month, maybe the following month, I can get 16. Okay. If only 8 people will join in a diamond account and they are all direct to me, then I can earn half million or not lower than 10,000 US dollar. Why is that? Because I have already built my team big, wide, and deep. So there are a lot of development bonus that I can possibly earn. Lowest is 10,000 US dollar or half million for 8 people. What if on the second month it becomes 16? So how much now I earn? And how much only I spend for the event? Of course, how do I do that? Okay, I go every day to look for these people. If one person can invite five, so I need only 6 people to invite. I tell them to invite 20 people within their area, and if only five of them can attend, then there are 30 people. Then I hit the goal that I set. Now, that is only a small amount of money. I mean, not much, but it earned well. Okay? So our CEO is teaching us if you can wear because he said, "Oh, don't wear a belt with the H with the LV like that because people will never some people will not will not care what you are wearing, how much you spend in this and that, okay? With the professional image, we can convince them. So that's what his point of view. That is what is his point of view. Now, if you cannot cut cost, okay, you cannot succeed in business. You see, in Reway, for I've been here for 8 years, okay? 8 years, I have earned millions. $20,000 a month, $25,000 a month, even $60,000 a month. I experience that every time I fight for a Team Elite Phoenix. So that is lowest 3 million pesos. So um I spend a lot. Of course, the good thing here is you earn money. The good thing in Reway, by the way, guys, especially for those who are new, is we don't know what is budget because we know that every day we can earn money. If we fight for today, we have a big team. Okay, one member, one leader will encode in Japan, in India, in UAE, in Singapore, in ex-Yugoslavia, in USA, 1:30 in the morning, Singapore and Philippine time. We have the bonuses RW or income. So, but we also need to, we experience to burn tickets, to burn money. Example, we already booked our ticket for a certain city, like going to an island, to a city or a province, because we are going to have the event, and suddenly the company or the team or the top leader will say, "Oh, we will have an emergency meeting." Then we burn the ticket, we burn the money. It means we cancel the flight. That is already a lost money because we need to attend to this. This is one thing that we need also to have in mind. uh when your uplines, when your top leaders, when your leaders or the company, Reway will say, "Oh, we have an emergency meeting. Everyone or star leaders must attend. Everyone is invited." Br- uh, Drop everything. Okay, if you have set a client going to meet, then cancel. I'm sorry, I cannot really make it today because we have an urgent meeting, like that, like that. Because we need first to get updates and learn from our company. We can also learn how to say no to our clients. So remember again, if you don't know how to cut costs, you cannot succeed in business. But improving performances, we need also to improve our performance. We need to improve our skills. We cannot say that we have already stock knowledge. We know already how to do the OPP. We know how to do the MDO. We know how to do this and this and that. More as much as possible, all of the events and trainings, we must be there to get updates and to develop our skills. so the
Mm.
money can go to the right people. So remember this, that this time na for me ha, after 8 years in Riway, in doing Riway business, I need to, okay, to filter people. I've been spending a lot of money to wrong people. That's the term of our CEO. Okay, we need to filter this time. Okay, our effort, our time with these people will not be wasted. Of course, the good thing with Reway, we always have the unlimited chances. We give chances to people. Some people will go to another company. Some people stop for whatever reasons. When they come back to Reway, Reway will still welcome them. That's the good thing here. And um, it says that of course we need also to know, we need to know how to manage our money. He said, if your head is not too big, don't wear big hat. So I like the translator, the one who translated this. This is from this statement is our from is from our CEO. So don't go back, because he said, if we don't know how to manage, I see people also in Reway. I witness they are earning so well. They were earning so much in Reway, and suddenly because of the changes, price changes, some adjustment, and then suddenly they stop earning in Reway. Suddenly their earning is from millions. Now they're earning only like six digit. So it's like, wow. But the CEO said, learn everything, especially in managing money, so that you will not go back to where you belong. Okay, remember this. Don't go back to where you belong. Or don't go back to where you were before, rather. So before, they have this much of money. When they are already in Reway, they're earning so well, and because they mismanage their money, they don't know how to, to maintain, okay, the income, the sales, the rank in Reway International. Slowly they go back to where they were before. So we should learn from the mistakes of others. Okay. So he said, if you don't have money, earn it. Every day wear Reway uniform. Every day do Reway business. And he said that you don't need to borrow money, because in Reway, if you fight today before 12 midnight, before 3 p.m. Europe time, Belgium time, Exodus, Serbia time, 1 hour and a half later, okay, you have bonuses, you have income already. So why borrow things if you are in Reway? All you have to do is to fight, to look for people. Of course, you will not earn if you will not find people. You will not earn, you cannot hit a rank, you cannot hit 2,000, you cannot earn 2,000 US dollar income to 100,000 if you have no events. You have no people to talk to every day. It is hard to happen. So you might meet a potential client to impress with your attires. To impress with whether you're just going somewhere else, you're wearing Reway uniform, people around you would ask. One instant is when our CEO was in Dubai, this year, okay, with his core management, okay, they were walking in Dubai airport, and he was wearing only this uniform like that. And then that it's like a cart in the airport, okay, pass him by, pass the group like that, his group. And then the driver came back and approached our CEO and said, do you want to ride here in the cab? So our CEO said, why among us, with so many people in that airport? He took notice of me. I was only wearing our Reway uniform with the Reway pin like that. So it's how we impress people around us with with our looks, with our image. So most of his downlines were um and he said, the CEO also said that most, because he travels frequently, right? Flying from one country to another country, town to town, city to city, using plane. Most of his downlines, our CEO, were recruited. He recruited or convinced them in the trips, in the flight, in the plane. Okay. So personal image to attract people to join you. So CEO as then there are a lot of people here also in Riway, top leaders, a lot of them, okay, many of them have luxury cars like Bentley, Rolls-Royce, so many. And even and the CEO said even he lost count how many cars already the Riway members, Riway leaders own. But there are also one thing I would like to share. Um, of course, they are like billionaires, okay? When they go to the Hermes shop, Hermes, shop, they can close down and they can close down the Hermes shop, and then it would be exclusive only for them. It could be for 3 hours, for 5 hours. They close that because these top leaders of Riway will be buying Hermes bags. Okay, if you have idea. So it's just Hermes bag. They can actually afford to buy Bentley, Rolls Royce, or whatever expensive cars that they want. It's because income in Riway is unlimited. Okay, unlimited income, but we should know how to manage our finances.
Aubrey,